Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a simple voice chat on the Aternos server. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to go to your software section. Then from here, you're going to search for Fabric and you're going to click on it. Then make sure to download the latest version, so click on here. Then you're going to click on install. Once it's installed, then you're going to click on the mods section right here. Then you're going to search for simple voice. Once you go right here, simple voice chat, just click on it. And then you're going to download the latest version as well. Once that is done, then you're going to search right here on the browser for Fabric Minecraft. And you're going to download the Fabric right here. And you're going to click on download it. Then you can download it for Windows or using any of the launchers such as CurseForge. And so you're going to just save it anywhere specific. So I'm just going to put it right here. Once you have it downloaded, then you're just going to launch it. Then from here, you're going to click on install and then you're going to just make sure that it's all good. Then from here, you're going to make sure that the server is also installed on it. Then from here, you're going to click on download server jar and then going to click on done. Finally, from here, going to back to your server, click on connect, and you can see the port number right here. Click on OK. Then from here, going to click on the files section, click on config. From config, you're going to click on the first file that you see. And then from here, where you see it says port, you're just going to replace the 4 digits with the one that you just connected, and you're going to click on save. Once you click on save, you're just going to make sure that you save it properly. And then in the server, you're just going to start it, and there you go. You're all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.